Yo gainers, what's up? So we are now on our part 2 on our premium and discount topic. So today I'm going to teach you the advanced technique on how to swing trade using this premium and discount. So let's go ahead. So for me, this is my trading plan. Number one, we check the market structure if it is bullish or bearish. Number two, we look for a breakout structure same as the basic. And then number three, we mark the zones, supply and demand, fair value gap, breaker at the premium or discount zones. Number four, we wait for the price to tap into the zone. And number five, we go to 5 minutes time frame. Number six, we wait for a market structure shift and enter at either breaker or supply and demand. And then number seven, we target the previous highs or low. And as we can see here, the number eight, we can target a high risk reward ratio. So let's go ahead and use our example at the basic so that you can see the comparison using the basic and the advanced premium. So here we are again at the GBPUSD. So just like the example I gave in the basic technique. So first we're going to plot, or we're going to use this Fibonacci to mark our 50% zone and the premium zone. So as I said before, that this is not a valid break of structure. Also this one, this is not a valid break of structure. And also this one. Okay, so as you can see here, the candle did not close below this line, so this is not yet a break of structure or a valid break of structure. So we're going to treat this as a liquidity points. Liquidity. And this one also a liquidity and a liquidity. So okay, after we plot this, the second step we're gonna do is we're going to mark all the zones. So we have here our supply, and we have here also our breaker. So we'll go ahead and check um, whether the price will go here and here. So as we can see before on our example in the basic, we can see that the price taps this 50%. It did not tap this supply. So let's go ahead and check this one. Okay, so as you can see here, it taps our breaker block here. So let's go on our next step. We go down to 5 minutes time frame. Okay, we are now on our 5 minutes time frame. We are going now to wait for a market structure shift to happen. See here. So I will be waiting for a market structure shift around this, below this area. Okay, so there you have it. We have a market structure shift. And as I said before, that on the next step, we are going to enter at either breaker block or a supply area, supply or demand area. So we can see here we have a breaker block. So I'm putting my sell limit around this area and just stop loss above this. And for our target, we will targeting the lows of the 4-hour time frame. There. Let's go back to 5 minutes. So as you can see here, we have a risk reward ratio of 9.59 compared to basic. Okay, let's move here. Compared to the basic trading plan. So let's see what will happen to the market. Okay, we have here an entry hit. Let's go to 1 hour so that we can have a faster movement of the market. Okay, so there you have it. We have a break of TP hit, I mean. So we have secured a 9.59 risk reward ratio. Okay, so let's go ahead and for the next example. Okay, there. So as we can see here that for our next example, this is the lower high. Okay, let's go to 4 hours. So this is the lower high, new lower high, and this is the new lower low. This is the valid break of structure. Okay, so let's wait for our price. Okay, I mean this is for the second example. So let's mark our premium discount using this Fibonacci, and then we will mark our zones. We can see here we have a fair value gap, and also we can see here another breaker. Let's see and wait for the price to tap this zone so that we could look for our sell entry. Okay, so there you have it. We tap our 50% above 50% zone and our breaker. So let's go down to 5 minutes and look for a confirmation. Okay, so this is the first step. Let's cut this one. Here you have it. So we have a sweep here. So we'll wait for a market structure shift to happen around this area, below this area. Okay, there you have it. So for our supply zone, we have an entry here. I'm going to put my sell limit around this area and target our low. So we have a risk reward ratio of 5.17 compared to the basic that is only 1:1. See what will happen to the market. Okay, we have an entry hit here. Let's go to 1 hour again for faster movement of the market. Okay, there you have it. We have a TP hit. So that's all for our bearish example. Let's go ahead and look to that bullish example on EURUSD. Okay. Okay, guys. So looking back at this EURUSD, we have a bullish movement. So first, we are going to use this Fibonacci to plot our zones, premium and discount zone. So just like before, this is not a valid break of structure. This is not a valid break of structure. So we have our liquidity here that could be taken out before a break of structure happened. So here in advance, so we can see here that we have a consolidation here, and it did not respect this area, and again it did not respect this area. So I'm assuming that this price will react to this zone here. So I'm going to plot this zone that is in line to this fair value gap. So let's wait and see what will happen to the market. Okay, guys, so we have a tap in market in our zone here. So let's go down to 5 minutes and wait for our market structure shift to happen. Okay, we have a multiple sweep happening. You can see here, guys, that we have our market structure shift. So I will be entering at this supply area. I mean demand zone. Stop loss are below this area, and our target profit will be the previous highs at 4 hour time frame. Okay, so we have here a 16.37 risk reward ratio. Let's see what will happen to the market if we play this one. Okay, we have an entry hit. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame for faster movement of the market. Okay, there you have it, guys. We have secured a 16.37 risk reward ratio. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. Hope you have learned something from me doing this basic to advanced technique of premium and discount. So for more trading strategies, please subscribe and thank you.